Good morning. I am 5 minutes earlier today. So, as always, if you're watching in recording, you're welcome to fast forward or stay with us through our hellos. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Cherry. Welcome back to the US. I know you had a wonderful trip. Good morning, Gina. All right, it is time for us to start, and today we're going to explore the seventh chakra, our crown chakra. In Sanskrit, it's called Sahasrara, and it represents our universal identity, our self-knowledge, self-awareness, our right to know. An unbalanced crown chakra often manifests as profound loneliness, apathy, depression. In our endocrine system, it corresponds to the pineal gland. Even now, with all the research we have available, the function of the pineal gland is not fully understood. What the scientists know for sure is that it modulates our sleep cycles, and this is the gland where melatonin is produced. But it is clear that there is so much more to it than that. Descartes regarded pineal gland as the seat of the soul and the place in which all our thoughts are formed. Gaudi used pineal gland symbology a lot in his architecture as an allusion to the mystic aspect of the human experience. Anyway, let's begin our meditative visualization. So take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to settle in. Scan your body, and as always, pay attention to what's going on for you today, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you right now? Bring your awareness to your breath without trying to control it, without trying to change anything. Simply observe the rise and fall of your breath, the natural rhythm of it. Root down into the earth, reminding yourself of the constant support that the earth provides you. And now bring your attention to the crown of your head. The common colors that are associated with the crown chakra are white or purple. So whatever you see is fine. I'm going to go with white, but if you see a different color, that's fine. So visualize a tiny pin of white color right at the crown of your head. On your next breath, make this pin of energy grow to the size of a marble. Breathing naturally, little by little, allow this energy to expand and swirl around your entire body. Let this light bathe you. As you continue with this visual, tune into my words as I recite some common crown chakra affirmations for you. As always, I invite you to repeat all or some of them that resonate best with you. And as you do it, really feel how those affirmations land in your body. I am connected to infinite wisdom. I am one with all things, one with the universe. I feel whole and complete. I am grateful and in awe of life. I feel inspired. I feel the universe moving through me. I feel peaceful and content with all of life. I am love. I am peace. I am everything that is. The light still surrounds you. Allow your body to absorb it. Get infused with this energy of calm, unambiguous knowing that you are not alone. You're loved. You receive and follow inspiration. You listen to your inner voice. You are one with the universe, not separate from it. You choose to be authentic with yourself and others. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the natural rhythm of it, the rise and fall of your natural breathing. And now we're going to recite the mantra of the crown chakra, the bija sound, Im. I am Im. We're going to do it 7 times. Im, 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 Im. Scan your body once again and notice how you're feeling now after this little practice. What's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally? How are you? As you go through your day today, remember that you're always connected to the universe, that you are one with all the things, one with everything that is. And let this knowing help you feel more grounded in your day, in everything that you do. Enjoy. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a gorgeous day, and I will see you tomorrow.